Hello, future brides! Are you ready to level up your wedding game? While wedding planners are fabulous for handling the nitty-gritty details, there are some things you and your partner must tackle personally to ensure your dream day unfolds flawlessly. Buckle up as we dive into the finite details. Number 1. Prioritizing finances. While wedding planners excel at streamlining budgets and expenses, it is imperative for couples to align their vision with practicality. Remember, the essence of your marriage transcends the grandeur of the wedding itself. Prioritize essentials, assess guest list capacities, and choose suppliers wisely within your means. Embrace a practical mindset and focus on what truly matters. Number 2, handling documents. Although wedding planners can facilitate document processing, certain legalities necessitate the personal involvement of the couple, from securing marriage licenses at the City Hall to fulfilling church requirements. A hands-on approach is crucial to ensure compliance and smooth proceedings. Number 3, guest list dilemmas. When it comes to deciding who to invite, budget limitations or venue constraints may pose challenges. To navigate this, divide your expected guest count evenly between the bride and groom sides. Another helpful factor is to prioritize inviting people both you and your partner know personally to avoid any awkward situations. Number 4, parental involvement. It's common for parents to have strong opinions on the guest list and other wedding details. While this may feel overwhelming, especially for couples dependent on their parents, it's a chance to strike a balance between following your heart and respecting their input. Remember, this period is a time for compromise and understanding, as it signifies a transition towards independent life post-wedding. Have you ever had someone compliment someone's makeup and jokingly responds, "Prayers lang yun"? Well, as funny as it may sound, there's actually some truth to it. Let me tell you, faith can move mountains. Whether it's a financial challenge or a relationship hurdle, trust that through prayer and faith in God, solutions will unfold. As your dedicated wedding planner, we are not only here to assist you logistically, but also to provide emotional and spiritual support throughout this journey. Remember, with a combination of practicality, personal involvement, and spiritual faith, your wedding planning experience can be enriching and fulfilling. Trust the process and embrace this special time in your lives with joy and resilience. So what are you waiting for? Drop us a message and let's chat about creating your perfect wedding.